So I thought I'd dive into the world of Powerglide transmissions. I'm a hands-on kind of guy. I'll buy stuff, but I like to learn as I'm going. So bought me this TSR Racing Pro Full Tree Trans Brake kit per se. And so I thought I'd try it out. And what you do is you mill certain spots on the valve body, and I really have no clue how valve bodies work yet, but I thought I'd give it a try. And it comes with your destruction manual. I won't really go through a whole lot of it, but it tells you everywhere you need to mill and install 2 plugs. And it gives you a little picture page. Tells you where to mill and how deep and how long. And so yeah, I thought I'd give it a try. I want to try to Powerglide in the S10. And I even went so far as to put a JW bell, super bell or whatever on a case. It turned out alright. I got a little gap here, but it took me maybe 2 hours or so to do it. But like I say, we're going to try it, see what happens, get rid of this heavy turbo 400. And over here, we got another transmission we're putting together. This is going to be kind of a, I don't know, stock. No trans brake or anything like that. I've got it all assembled with the clutches and everything, but I ordered a TCI valve body, and it's not a trans brake, it's just a manual valve body forward pattern. So I gotta take the other transmission apart, since I have to drill a few holes that I didn't realize I had to drill because I just got the kit today. So we'll keep you updated eventually. Racing's been going pretty good. I've been having a lot of fun. Sorry the mess of the garage. I've got a lot of transmission parts laying around now, but appreciate you checking into the channel. Hit subscribe, click the bell, and it might be a while before the next video, but have any questions, post them up. I'll try to answer them. Thanks, man. Have a good day.